Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. So today we'll be talking about one of the best stocks to buy in Kenya. And don't be afraid, this is something that's possible to buy stocks, shares in Kenya, and anything that you've ever dreamt of. All these stocks are listed in the capital markets of they're approved by the Capital Markets Authority, and they're also listed on the Nairobi Stock Exchange. So in my screen right now, I'm showing you the best one of the best stocks to buy in Kenya. It's Safaricom shares. Please don't mind the noise. My baby is in the background. So thank you, Edith, for your comment. So we are talking about Safaricom. We can actually see how Safaricom has been performing over the years. This is 2020, but I can show you for a fact today the price is about 41.75. I can tell you for a fact Safaricom has its ups and downs. We can also see from this image. So it by close of business yesterday it closed at 40.85. So in simple terms, before you buy any stock, just look at their fundamentals. Like for example, this website, you can actually see a day range. The Safaricom had 40 point was between 40.55 to 41, with a market cap of 1.63 trillion Kenyan shillings. Guys, this is what you're missing out on, okay? A public float of 10.4 billion, 10.04 billion. This is what you can buy. Even if you had a million bob today, you can buy this stock from the Nairobi Stock Exchange. It doesn't have to be complicated. Just open a CDS account and make sure you know which broker will suit your needs. Okay, so let's go to the expense to the dividends that they're going to pay over this year. August 2021, we're expecting some dividends. 0.92 share Kenya shillings. This is like 92 cents US dollars. It means if you had a thousand worth of shares for Safaricom, multiply that by 0.92. How much do you get? Is it like 90 shillings per? Is it 92 or 900,000 shares? Yeah, 920, I think so. Hey, wait, I'm doing something. So please don't mind my baby. Okay, so we're expecting the dividends in August 2021, and the dividend yield is 3.35, as you can see here. I hope my screen is showing. Never done this. Yeah, and you can actually see how Safaricom has been performing over the past 1 year. It has a growth of 42.58. Guys, this is how you earn passive income. When you check the amount of dividends that they want to give you, this is how you can gain dividends per every single year with different stocks in the Nairobi Stock Exchange or in international markets. Yeah, so tuned in. Thank you, Chris. Thank you, Edith. Welcome, Mom Christine. Okay. So ask me any questions, guys. So this is so simple. You can actually see the volume at which people are trading the shares. This is 5.8 million. So people are serious about this, okay? And this is how you know a stock it goes up. You can actually see the curve is going up. Let me show you some statistics of Safaricom, the way it's been performing over since its inception. I like this website because you can actually filter out here from 1 day to 5 days to 1 month to 1 year to 3 years to all. So for example, last year you'll see sort of a dip, but Safaricom didn't go down, by the way, because it's one of the major companies in Kenya where you have to, I mean, it's the only highway company in Kenya in telecommunications. This means you can only use Safaricom. You see companies like the other companies like Airtel and all that, they didn't manage to pull through because this company is like a monopoly. A monopoly means, hey, stop. And a monopoly means you can actually get like all your profits, make the citizen use your only service, buy out other services or companies, and make sure you reap all benefits. So why don't you have a share of Safaricom? Okay, so I'll be talking about these other companies that I love, I have invested in, as much as it's small. Hey, stop. Don't mind, that's my baby. Too much noise. So so we can see I have some watch lists here. I have East African Breweries, EABL, Centum, ELS is something else I'll talk about some other day. The Safaricom symbol, when you're searching for the Safaricom shares, it's SCOM. That's what Safaricom shares stock price means. This one. Okay, you want to type? You want to type? Okay, go ahead. Go ahead and type. So, okay, okay. Okay, so you can note that where am I going? So you can actually see the trend. So here, guys, it's so simple. Okay, you have to understand some of other things before you buy your shares. You have to figure out how the company is performing, the fundamentals of that company, like the finances, the financial information about the company, the profits they're making, and all that, profits and losses. But of course, you know, a company like Safaricom doesn't, it has, I don't think it makes any losses. You can actually see the news here that Safaricom has, hey, stop. Key developments here. You can see that Safaricom resolves to interim dividends of about, I think, how much? 0.45. And also, we also note that Safaricom has wait. It has ventured to Ethiopia. It has ventured to Ethiopia. So it means we have some good money coming in from Safaricom, from the Ethiopian market. And you know very well, Ethiopian market has a better thriving economy than Kenya to some extent. It is good, and it's good for the economy and for the whole of Africa. But we know very well that if Safaricom ventures into that market and acquires a big chunk of the market, we know what happens when you acquire a big chunk of the market. You either make a profit or loss. But since we already know that it's a huge big company, as you can see, the new CEO, I'm sure he has all the intentions of making sure that the Safaricom it maximizes on the economic opportunity in Ethiopia. Okay, and this is why you should invest in some stocks, not all, some. You advise something that you use every single day. For example, my Kenyan people, you use your phone every single day yourself. How much do you waste on on M-PESA charges? Sending like 100 bob, it costs you like 20 Kenya shillings. Imagine. So here, as you can see, all this news. Yes. You want some? Okay. Here you go. So this is one of the best stocks. I will tell you, advise you, not advice. This is not financial advice. You can actually do your own due diligence and make sure you have registered for your CDS account with one of the brokers in Kenya. So where do you get the brokers? You get the brokers on Nairobi, NSE.co, NSE, Nairobi Stock Exchange list of brokers. You see, you can actually see, in fact, you can even get it on the Central Bank of Kenya, the certified ones, not just anyone. Okay, so you can see we have Dradmond, Diane Blair, Francis Thuo, Nyaga stockbrokers, Ngenya Karaoke, all these kind of things, stockbrokers that will enable you to open a CDS account and buy your stocks. and that's how you start investing. Okay, and that's how you start investing. So thank you so much for tuning in. I will also be sharing more of this. I just needed to come back to my channel to share some of this information, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Miss Shori. Thank you, Edith, and thank you, Chris Nashi. God bless you guys. Okay, bye bye.